tuned in. I got everything working. Yes, follow me. Look. I want you to follow me every time. Don't let that camera off me, alright? Keep that camera on me every time I move, alright? Christmas turned out well. Alright? Getting ready to eat some breakfast. Now I'm just role playing just to show my acting skills. Alright? I'm getting ready to head over here to the kitchen. Follow me. Alright. So over here we got some grits. Who eats grits? Not me. Used to. Orange juice, apple juice, bacon. Feel me? Don't let. You better keep that camera on me, okay? Alright, keep that camera on me. What it's looking like. So we're gonna come over here. That camera off me.
They caught that TV.
You going, Renee?
Oh wait.
Where you going?
I don't want to be in the camera.
What do you mean? Let's see how it works. Stop. Stay there. This is Mrs. Claus here.
Can't.
Would you take the camera wherever you want? Everywhere. Yeah. But you just can't plug it out. What's on this corner? What are you doing?
It's getting Casey face.
Hey, stop recording us. Hey, mister, stop recording us.
You make some more?
Stop that. Control it?
Yeah.
That's okay. They good.
They not burnt. They just
They
brown.
just crisp. Yeah. Yeah. That's why I said we
The
black.
camera's on Gia, Casey.
Yeah.
You're a YouTuber now.
Yeah, then you're gonna get famous.
No, we're gonna make you famous.
No.
Yeah.
I'm
We're
gonna
gonna make
make
you.
you famous.
You gonna make me famous? A big YouTuber?
Yeah. Then you have a big YouTuber. Big thing. Yeah, you have a YouTuber.
Oh yeah.
I'm already famous. Hey, stop picking. I'm already famous.
You already famous?
Yes.
What's your name? What's your name?
Yeah.
Tell me your name.
He had a whole attitude.
Casey, what's your name?
What's your YouTube name, Gia?
Oh my God. No.
What's your
What's your name, Casey?
what's your name for your gaming system?
Your name?
I like it.
Yeah, good money.
What's your name for your gaming system, Casey? Casey what?
Casey Donald Trump.
What's your name on your game? Casey what?
Casey Donald.
Hey, tell me. What's your name on your game? Casey what?
Donald Trump.
Casey King 4?
What's your name, Casey?
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump.
That little boy
Because he's
too much.
crazy.
He got his